Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. We will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. So as you can see, there is quite a few news coming up later today on dollar and CAD. So I will be looking at now one by one which one we will be trading. We will keep in our list dollar CAD also. You see the dollar CAD might get very volatile as CAD news is coming. CAD pair and USD pairs are very important. So we will look at, first of all, starting with gold, and also we'll be looking at other pairs also to see how we can find trading opportunity. Let's quickly look at what we have currently in the market. Now guys, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel before I begin this live session, and let me know in the live chat if you have any questions. So we see that a little bit of quite a few instruments looking very volatile at the moment, dollar CAD, and we see that gold also showing very high volatility in the market. So what we see in all of them, especially if we look at let me see that majority of the pairs showing very good movement, starting with gold, and then we will be looking at other pairs also. Now looking at gold here, we see that from the daily, if you look at the daily chart on gold, which so far daily chart is very important. As you know that I always look at, first of all, daily chart and other pairs later. Now looking at, first of all, daily chart, we see that from the daily perspective on gold, previous day the market opened with a with a wickless candle on gold, and with that wickless candle, the price from that level, there is a long bearish candle, followed by today. So far, once the market opened from this level, we can see that the market, after opening from this level, has gone up, has gone down, and then gone back up again. The price has reached so far in this zone where there is a resistance, and from that level, what we see that gold currently in that zone tested this level. It's in the middle, so it is a very crucial point to look at now on gold to see which way the market might be heading. So let's see on the lower time frame to see where the market might be going. Now as you can see today, so far the price has reached that resistance level, and from that zone a candle trying to come down. This is the 4-hour candle. We still don't know that it's gonna come down or it's pushing high. Let's look at lower time frame. From the 1 hour, we have seen a long doji, and later we saw a little bit of downside. Now looking at the 15 minutes chart, in that 15 minutes, what we see that in that area, gold from this level had an initial rejection. If we look at the 5 minutes, you can see that, and now from after dropping to this level, after breaking this low, the price again trying to make some upside momentum. So gold here is very choppy, as you can see, and news might make that choppy market moving. I think that, I also need you guys, what do you think, your opinion. I think that gold might drop today from that level, because if you look at this market after this red candle, the price still leaving an imbalance in that zone. So I think that gold might try to break the low instead of moving towards the upside. So with that being said, we will be waiting for confirmation from the lower time frame. We don't have to be accurate. If we see that gold is bullish, we will be bullish. If we see that gold is showing bearish move, we will be bearish. So in addition to that, we see that dollar CAD also getting some rejection from the top. So we see that some weakness on CAD as the news is coming. Let me see, I was expecting it to push to the upside. I think the dollar CAD, as news is coming, this instrument getting very volatile. So I think that dollar CAD might have some upside bias, but let's see how the market does. We are on a trade, and this instrument, I think that this, you see there is a long wick on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So that long week, I'm expecting it to break to the upside to fill that imbalance. As news coming later today, we can expect some significant volatility in this market. So yeah, this is the very lower time frame on the 5 minutes. Let's see how it goes. This is a highly volatile instrument at the moment, and if we find we are on a trade, if we can find good trade, we can add a position, no problem. But let me see first of all how the market is evolving. This is a quite significant market. So let me know in the live chat also which one you are looking at. Along with, we saw that there is a manipulation here on yen pair in just a couple of in an hour early, and with that manipulation, the price now see dollar yen and GBP JPY. So JPY pairs does this sometime manipulation, so we could see that reflecting with other instrument also. So we'll keep eye on dollar CAD, we'll keep eye on gold, and also on GBP JPY and dollar yen. And also let me know guys which one you are looking at. GJ, after this long week candle, price now trying to break towards the upside on GBP JPY. So let's see which one giving the best opportunity we will look for. After yesterday's massive win on GJ, you have seen that in this live session, though we have quite a few trades in our VIP group, but in this live session we had big trade on GJ, so I want to keep the same kind of trade on. Let me show before that. Okay, so we see that dollar yen and dollar CAD trying to create a downside momentum at the moment. So dollar CAD, this is the 1 hour chart, and if we look at the 4 hour, okay, so from this 4 hour time frame, dollar CAD had a significant bounce. Now with that bounce, the market reached that resistance, and now it is trying to come down for a pullback. I think that we can expect this market to be bullish. So first of all, let's see, as the news coming, we should be able to see some good movement in this market. Now from 5 minutes, price action little bit of bearish, but let's see if it is breaking to the upside again. All right, so let me know guys which one you are looking at. Mark, thank you Mark. Dell, hello coach, I am holding sell on euro AUD. Advice, you are holding sell on euro dollar. Let's see how it does. We see that suddenly there is a volatility on euro dollar, so that might make dollar weaker. So let's see the dollar CAD. So dollar CAD might come down in that case. So it is really unpredictable at the moment as the news coming. I'm expecting dollar CAD to remain bullish, but what we see here is might consolidate in that area. So which instrument you are trading guys, let me know. And gold, you can see it's just consolidating in that area. Okay, and with that consolidation, okay, the way gold is heading, I think that it might maintain its bullish structure. Okay, I was expecting gold to have a downside, but I think that it's gonna even it could go up and test this resistance where there is a high liquidity. that could happen. So dollar CAD and gold we will look at, and also including the GJ also. So dollar getting weaker. It's really interesting to look at. Might come down to gather liquidity. So let's keep an eye on gold as well, and then we'll be looking at GBP JPY also if there is any trade. So GJ, after this huge manipulation, it's trying to create a bullish pattern. GJ to the upside. Okay, so looking at gold again, we saw there is a long wick doji here on gold, which is signaling potential further upside, but the price in a very crucial level, price in a very important zone, and from that level at the moment I won't be interested to buy. But if we see that enough confirmation, then we can look for buying on gold. So, and in the meantime, let me see that what's happening with dollar CAD and other pairs also. So NZD CAD is pushing high, so most of the CAD pair is getting a bit stronger, except dollar CAD. Okay, so let me see. So looking at gold again, we see that gold from the 4-hour time frame, there is a bullish move. The market has made this move. The price now slowly trying to come down for a pullback. And I think that gold with the news is really big factor. I think that gold might come down for liquidity grab from the top, from this 20 and then we could see that bullish move. So for me, gold is still, there is a probability for downside. So but here on the locally, if you look at the 1-hour candle, it's trying to create a bullish move in that area, right? So it really depends on what time frame you are looking. So 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes price action showing upside here. 30 minutes still not closed. The price is approaching very significant liquidity zone. As I mentioned, from here it could have a bounce, which is possible for gold. Okay, and yeah, news will really will change the game completely. So let me see that news calendar we look at. So looking at which is coming around 1 hour later, the news is, so dollar and CAD, both of them coming together. So gold, what I see that the price has broken the 1 hour low, so there is a potential for an upside momentum on gold. So let me see that if there is, we have an entry here, because if it bounce, let me see that possible risks to reward if we buy here. Now I want to take at least 321. I'm not, it's still opening, guys. Just checking at 32 people stop loss. So looking at the 5 minutes, okay, so here it get liquidity gathered. So here from that level, as the news is coming later today, so we see that dollar CAD might not moving to the upside. So let me see that here on gold. So we see potentially bullish. See here if we was opening. Okay, so with the news coming up, now 1 hour is showing potentially some kind of bullish momentum on this market. Now as 30 minutes, yeah, so it's trying to again coming down for a pullback. So we keep our S. I'm still not opening, just checking it, guys, to see if it is something that worth taking. So take a look at getting some kind of rejection from the support level. Okay, so the price has got rejected. Okay, here on gold, what we saw, that you see this is a resistance line here on gold, and from that zone there is a very long rejection towards the downside, so we might see some deeper pullback. It may remain bullish, but as the price rejected from that level, we might see that a bit more deeper pullback. So let's keep that on. And in the meantime, guys, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, press that bell notification if you don't want to miss out any of the content that we are releasing every day in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And in the meantime, let me see that dollar CAD. Okay, so we want to see a very strong rejection on dollar CAD. If it does, then we might see that with the news coming up, this instrument might get very volatile. Okay, looking at gold again, here gold might be a little bit of choppy or a little bit of dodgy. All right, so let me see in the meantime on Gbpujpy also. There is a huge manipulation here. Now this level can give a very strong support for Gbpujpy for long-term upside. So we might see that GJ is maintaining. You see that this is the daily support level here. This weekly candle is broken, so that could give GJ now a strong level of support for potential upside momentum or long-term perspective on GJ. So from 4 hour we see a long wick doji, and I think that the market might come down a little further, but this is a big manipulation here, long, almost 100 pip manipulation that could lead GJ for long-term perspective to respect this level and then to go back up. So if the price coming down to this level of support, we will be able to find more trading opportunity for GBP All right, guys, hope that you're enjoying the live session. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the bell notification so that you're not missing out anything that we are releasing every single day. Hi coach, can you look at NASDAQ? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Good day. What do you think on GBP You will be looking at that. What's your view on Euro USD? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Black, good morning coach, hope you are doing well. Let's have a successful day. Yeah, absolutely, this is the main goal, to have a good trading day. Okay guys, stay positive. All right, anything can happen in the market is like that, always evolving, always changing. So anything can happen in the market. Stay positive, but let's keep a bigger hope for better trading for today also. Okay, so here on dollar CAD, so dollar getting weaker, so dollar CAD might need to take that from this level. Okay, this is a very high manipulation area. Okay, from this level we see this 5 minutes closing as a bullish candle. We might see some potential upside on dollar CAD to this level again. So if you look at the 1 hour, price has come to the support level. Okay, so looking at dollar yen also, this is a big long wick candle on dollar yen. So gold also, I'm just keeping eye all of them. So looking at GBP CAD, I had a question from one of you on GBP CAD. I think that GBP CAD, as I mentioned, that as the CAD news is coming, so if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily there is a bullish candle, followed by, from the support we see an upside bias. So GBP CAD might create a bullish move to the upside, like the dollar. We saw that little bit of upside on dollar CAD also. So CAD pair with the news might become very volatile. Okay, so from the 1 hour chart on dollar CAD, we saw candle close below, and from this level, let's see how it goes. I think the dollar CAD, if the news making dollar CAD very volatile, we should be able to see some movement in this market. All right, so going back to gold, it's not getting very strongly bullish, very choppy gold. You can see a couple of days. Now with the news coming up, if we see that dollar had a bounce, which is probability, okay, then we might see that this instrument is going a lot to the upside because of the fundamental coming up. Because if CAD getting weaker, Okay, so okay guys, I hope that you're enjoying the live session. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and also press that bell button if you so that you are notified for all the content that we are releasing every day. Aussie yen, dollar Swiss franc, euro USD, NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Morning. What happened? Euro USD. So Euro USD, we'll be looking at that. Okay, so dollar CAD doesn't look very strongly bullish, but let's keep eye on that. Okay, gold from that level is trying to break again after this pin bar. Okay, so what do you think, which way gold is heading, guys? Let me know in the live chat. So here you can see there is a back-to-back two candles again has gathered liquidity. So I think that the news might take gold to the upside, which is very likely to happen. Okay, so here we look at 1 hour again. The price from this support level is trying to break out. Okay, so for me, it looks to me that gold now preparing for an upside bias. Okay, so that lead dollar, because DXY we saw that was moving in the direction of um of gold. Now it's getting downside. Okay, so you saw the DXY is getting downside, so that has given dollar CAD also some downside momentum. Now news is really crucial to see. Now with that being said, gold might be giving us an upside bias with the news coming up. So if we look at potential long opportunity on gold, as I mentioned, we need a high risk to reward if we want to trade. Still not there. Still not there. Dollar CAD is again breaking that support. Okay, so you see that from 30 minutes perspective, after this doji, we can see some bullish move here. Okay, gold is, from this level we saw that there is a significant trend, and that trend may remain bullish. And if we look at the daily resistance here, this is the daily resistance, and from the 1 hour perspective, what I see that gold showing upside momentum. might break to the upside again, so we can look for buying. But I think that if you go long here, stop loss becoming a bit bigger. The dollar got very weaker. Okay, so that could lead gold to the upside. Okay, here I will be opening gold buy, okay, from this level. I know that it's a bit bigger stop loss, so make sure if you have a smaller account you should be cautious, because as news coming we might see manipulation to the downside and then going back up, so we'll be holding that trade even on the news. So make sure guys you always do the risk management or anything that you need to do to make sure to maintain that uh, risk. Okay, now I will be opening gold with 3 to 1 risk to reward, at least 3 to 1 needed to maintain profitability. So, and also I will be sending the same trade to the group also I've opened in my account as well. So gold, you need to maintain 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio at least, so that we can stay profitable over long term. So this is where we open gold, and I want to see that the market is breaking out, because as the news coming we could see some significant movement. If it isn't, then we need to look at, so it's a bit bigger bigger stop loss, but I think that gold might break to the upside again, or so our stop loss below this low. If it comes down for a manipulation, then we will be out. Okay? Let's see how it goes. So from 1 hour, what I see that this 1 hour candle is a bull candle. Okay? So if it breaks to the upside, then we should see the market breaking out, as this market is highly bullish. Okay? Gold is, as you know, that gold is a long-term bullish market. So in that case, we could see a breakout on gold. Okay? So this 1 hour candle, if this one is closing like that, which is a bullish price action, and I'm expecting gold to have an upside movement like that. So we'll hold that. I'll keep that on. And in the meantime, we see the dollar yen getting down, and looking at Gbpjpy, which is completely the other way, we see that it's strengthening on GBP. So dollar getting very weaker against all of them. All right, so GJ, we see that there is a potential for upside. Okay, so gold, so from 1 hour, I want to see that this 1 hour candle is closing like that as a bull candle. So that can, if it is closing as a bull candle like that, we should be able to see the market has given us this move. Guys, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification, and also leave it, ask any question using the live chat if you have any question. Also, if you want to trade with the broker that I am trading, regulated broker, there is a link in the description, and also you can use that link to start trading with a regulated broker. I always recommend you to trade with a regulated broker. And also, if you want to check out all the courses that we have, you can check out in link also in the description. Okay, here we want to see that the market is having some bullish move in that zone from 5 minutes. Okay, we see that so that the only way we need to look at is the bigger win. Okay? That's why we need to keep a big risk to reward, which is very essential. And I think that with the market, with that news, if the market managed to break to the upside, should be able to see some good movement, especially the 1 hour candle. We want to see that it's closing as a bullish candle like that, as a bullish pin bar, which is potentially bullish price action. Okay, we still have 15 minutes to go with that. Let's see the 15 minutes candle. So if the 15 minutes candle breaking to the upside, then we can see a potentially upside momentum now, which is essential. As the news coming in 45 minutes before the news, we want to see that the market managed to break to the upside. In the dollar CAD, so it got rejected from the top. We see the dollar is getting very weaker. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying the live. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Now this is a bit that bigger stop loss, so make sure that you always open very little. Okay, we'll do the risk management, because the market might do anything. Okay, so what do you think, which way the news is taking gold, guys? We are long on gold, and what's your opinion on this instrument? Gold, okay, dollar CAD. Yeah, we see the dollar CAD. I'm out. Dollar CAD. Good to see you. Thank you very much. Isaac, can you update for your USD? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. NASDAQ, your AUD. Yeah, we'll look at that. What's the big week? Okay, where is you? Okay, thank you. Job. Dollar yen. We thought dollar CAD was meant to be bullish. Yeah, so dollar CAD has broken down, so CAD got very weaker. So you saw that dollar CAD has broken down, and with that breakdown we see that gold is picking up. Okay, because gold had a big upside, so we might see that this market is trending because of the news coming. The market is always changing. So I'm aiming for bigger win on gold. Let's keep eye, because the market here it gathered huge liquidity. If it breaks to the upside, then it should go up a lot. This is what the market does. When it moves in one direction, it keeps moving. Now here, from 1 hour, if we look at, might retest this 1 hour support. It's interesting. It's gonna retest again to this support level. So the trend is strongly bullish. If the news is not giving a very strong momentum on gold, even might go for a sideways. So let's see where it is trying to be heading. The way it was starting to move, a little bit of slow down. So what happens sometime gold, but still this 5 minute candle is crucial. So we had a bit bigger TP. I set TP at 1939.87, around 1940. Okay, so let's see, because the news might make it very volatile to the upside. If it breaks to the upside, it's gonna bounce, and this is what the aim is. So it gained liquidity. Now if it breaks to the upside, we might be able to move the stop loss at entry. But this is how it is. We need to aim for bigger profit target. Okay, so that any trade not working out can be covered. Now from 15 minutes, you'll maintaining this support. Okay, this candle, if we look at the 5 minutes, especially, I want to see that 5 minutes closing as a bullish pin bar. Now it is forming potential head and shoulder in that zone. That could be different kind of price action again. Okay guys, so hope that you're enjoying. Give a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the bell notification. You don't want to miss out any of the content that we are releasing. And also so dollar CAD, what it did. Okay, let me see the dollar yen. So the market is sometimes very, very unpredictable. You'll see that in a minute it just changes the structure, especially on the lower time frame. So looking at higher time frame is always in the beginning, to looking at higher time frame is better. So from 4-hour gold price action, if we look at, this 1-hour candle I expected to go up and close, but it didn't. Okay, so that is not something very, very impressive. But let me see, we still can do something on that. Might consolidate in that area. So patience is the key, guys, in trading. So without being patient, it's very hard. The market sometimes become very unpredictable, and you have to be able to hold your nerve to give any results of your trade. Now from 1 hour, this is not something that very expected. We see that the candle from 1 hour didn't, the way it started to move, it didn't close above. Now from here, it's really important to see. Dollar had tested this level, started to move up again. Okay, so dollar had a bounce. Let me see if we can find Okay, so the way USD CAD has closed, okay, which is sharply bullish. So I will be trading this long 30 minutes candle. As the news is coming, it's gonna get very crazy to the upside if it does, okay, with proper risk management. Also this one I will keep 3 to 1, and whichever way the market is going, we will be taking bigger TP target. That's the main goal here. So I will be trading that 30 minutes candle, and okay, let me see that. So I'll keep my stop loss below this low. TP target 1.3667, okay, so which is around more than 3 to 1. Okay, so here on gold we see that the market slowly trying to break, and what I will do on gold, it's almost near our entry. So which one giving us best opportunity, will be entering. Now for gold, let me see if we need to I think dollar CAD looks better than gold, but let me see how the market is evolving here on gold. And if we see that this market not giving suitable price action, we might be able to get it down. So gold currently almost in my entry, no, a little bit of in. Okay, so gold, okay, so dollar CAD is moving up. Now gold might drop down. Okay, so the way gold price action has formed, I'm not very happy with it for a bullish. So I'll keep dollar CAD on. Okay, dollar CAD looks very aggressively gather liquidity here. We might see the dollar CAD to show us some upside. Now if we look at gold, okay, so it's now trying to pick up. So whichever way we see the best outcome, we are to trade on dollar CAD and gold, but I will keep running both with 3 to 1. So if one giving us the profit, we can keep the other one running. So okay, so here if we look at dollar CAD from 30 minutes perspective, there is a strong rejection, so we can expect for dollar CAD to go up. So if dollar CAD going up, then gold, as we see that more often DXY and gold moving in the same direction, so we can expect both of them to give us good opportunity. So for the time being, I'm holding both of them. Let's see how the market is doing. As gold is going in the direction, so let's keep that holding, and then if we see that dollar CAD doing anything, we can modify. But for the time being, I see that both of this trade might move in the direction that we have taken. So gold is heading to the upside. Let me see, because if anyone is bouncing, that means that we can expect bigger move with the news coming up. So we'll hold both of them with the news. This is the main reason that I have opened. So make sure guys you do the proper risk management, because news may do anything. All right, so it might just break down or it might just go up. So anything can happen with the news. So 2 trades, make sure that you're not taking more than 1% risk. So if DXY and gold both getting bullish in at the same time, then both of them we can expect a bounce. From 1 hour chart on dollar CAD, there is a 1 hour candle had a rejection. With that on gold, okay, so you see that potentially showing some bullish momentum. All right, so we have 2 trade running, okay, dollar CAD and gold. So gold is moving in that direction, which is good for us. Let's see how it does. I want to see the dollar CAD also breaking to the upside, as we see that 2 times the market from 1 hour perspective gather liquidity. If it comes down again for another liquidity, that's hilarious, but the market might do it. But let's keep holding 1 trade, give us all the profit that we need. If it moves up, then we'll see that. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD had a manipulation here, so you should see that with that manipulation the market is bouncing to the upside. So that means gold, what it did, gold here, so we'll keep eye both of them. Let's shortlist dollar CAD and gold with the news coming up. Our target is 321. So if it bounces, we should see that hit. Even it is possible for the price to go up further if it bounces to the upside with the news. Okay, now gold is not performing very good still. See, if it is not performing very well, we'll cut it in the middle or early, and we'll let dollar CAD running for full profit. First of all, let me see which one is performing well. If gold is heading, that's good. If it is not heading, then we'll be, I think either one of these might do well. So we have only 7 minutes for the news, and where gold is trying to break to the upside. We just need it. Okay guys, hope that you are enjoying the live session. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and also let me know how are you doing with your trading. Gold, okay, so Gbpusd professional, I think gold has go down 19. Okay, so anything can happen. All right, so let's keep eye. Gbpusd, okay, hi, thank you. Okay guys, in the meantime, join the free Telegram channel guys, link given in the live chat, and also I can give you the link here on the live chat for you so that you can join. So if I look at free Telegram channel, all right, so I can give you the link in the live chat. Also there is a link in the description for free Telegram channel. Okay, so gold so far bullish, right? So I'm holding on that. Okay, the candle has closed as a potentially bullish. Okay, so dollar CAD is consolidating in that area. So who is performing better? Gold is performing better so far. Okay, so gold is pushing high. If dollar CAD not doing well, I might cut it in a couple of pips down. First of all, let me see what it is doing here. Okay, I'm gonna cut dollar CAD with a couple of pips down because gold is moving up. I'll let that gold running. Let me see a little bit more. Okay, so I'm cutting dollar CAD guys. I'm out dollar CAD, a couple of pip down, and I'll keep running gold because its dollar CAD might not work out. So we'll keep gold running. Gold looks volatile, so let's keep it. Let it move to the upside. So I'm out dollar CAD. I've closed dollar CAD trade, couple of pips down, and I'm keeping gold on because we could see that this market might be breaking to the upside with the news. As you know, that gold sometimes gets very volatile with the news, and I want to see that the market, if it breaks to the upside, as it is a long-term bull market from a double bottom, we can expect some good movement, right? So our TP at 1940 level. So let's see how far it goes. I'm out with dollar CAD with 3-4 pip down. Might just manipulate here. Okay, so hope that you guys enjoying the live session. Sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out anything that we are posting every day. So yeah, I'm in profit zone on gold. I'll hold that gold trade. Hey guys, hope that you're enjoying. Let me know if you're enjoying. Happening with dollar CAD. Now gold is it's approaching that resistance, but I'm expecting it to break to the upside. So dollar CAD trying to break. So with the news coming, what's your opinion with the news, guys? What do you think? Which way the market is heading? Good morning, Yusuf. Thank you. Okay, so gold is breaking the upside. We are out on dollar CAD, but dollar CAD looks like that it's forming long wick. This market, if it breaks to the upside, it should give us good move. So we had a live trade yesterday on GJ. Today we are on gold. I want to see that the market is breaking to the upside, creating a new higher high, because this is the daily resistance. You can see at 1932 we might see the price is going back up to that resistance. Even we could see a break of that. So dollar CAD dodged us. Let me see. So now it's gone back up. So market structure on gold, which is bullish, and we are to the upside. Let's see how far. Okay, so hope that you are enjoying. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification, and also join the free Telegram channel for all the content that we are releasing to see. And also you can check out our website, link in the description area, to see all the courses that we are offering. And also if you want to trade with a regulated broker, the broker that I am trading, I put a link in the description area. You can join with them if you like, because they are fully regulated. So also I can share with you the link for that broker so that you can use it. Let me give you the link. So I have given you that link in the live chat. So once you click the link, you can register, and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. So you see that gold with the news, I want to see that it's having a bounce so far. Okay, so if dollar getting weaker, we see the dollar CAD again getting weaker. So with that said, dollar gold should be upside. So let's keep, guys, we are in profit on gold. Let's keep gold trade to give us a big profit on that. We had almost 3.5 times profit target on that. If gold managed to break to the upside, as it is a very long-term bull market, we can expect some bounce, but I'm gonna hold it for bigger profit. So let's see how the news is doing. All right, so which is a couple of minutes later coming up. So Also, I want to know you guys, what do you think, which way the market is heading? Okay, so have you opened the gold trade with me? How many of you are running that gold trade? Let me know in the live chat also. So yeah, we are buy on gold. Even if it is tired, we are going up. Okay, how many of you running that gold trade? It has broken the resistance, and because you can see, if you look at this lower time frame, it's maintaining series of higher low, has broken the resistance. We can expect new higher high. This is the main intention. So we see that it's heading to the upside. Okay, so let's do a good profit on gold. um okay, so moving up, if it bounce, we should see big bounce. And I have my target is 1940 level. Guys, are you enjoying? Also, I have sent the same trade to the VIPs, because on any trade that I open, so this is the gold trade, also I have shared with the VIP members. Okay, we bought at 1925, we are holding for 1930. So all trade that I share on the VIP channel as well, either I'm on live or I'm not on live. And also we are starting a live VIP trading room, where I will be trading. I will be trading on live Zoom, and also I will be interacting with all the VIP members when I'm opening the trade. For example, now I'm opening on trade, but there is no option for you to talk to me why I'm opening, what do you think. Also, your opinion is important. So if you are joining us today, you can join that VIP trading room, where I will be trading when I'm not on live here. I will be trading live on Zoom with VIP members. Together, together we will be opening the trade after clear understanding of the strategy. You can join today if you want to access that VIP trading room. Okay, the link in the description. Let me give you the link in the live chat, so that you can access all the VIP trades and the VIP trading room with me together. All right, so let me give you the mentorship link, where you can learn and grow as a trader. So I have given the link. This is the website link, where you can visit the website and then click join now button. Then you will be able to join. So to access the VIP trading room, if you are our lifetime member, you can access VIP trading room, where you can trade with me in a live environment. And also you can learn the strategy. You can directly interact with me, asking any question, or you can talk to me for anything that you don't understand. I'll try to help you everywhere. That's how you can have more private engagement with me, to help you in your journey. So link I have, because it's a very private room, as I mentioned, I have to help everyone one by one. So the spot will be limited. So every week I will take couple of, and then I'll keep it for close for a couple of days. So if you are joining today, probably you will be able to access. Otherwise, you might need to wait a little bit. So link, you can visit the website and then click join now button. Then you will be able to join. So let me see here on this level what it is doing for the 5 minutes. It's forming a doji. Okay, so before the news, there will be one more candle. What it is trying to do, getting liquidity again. So we are up on the profit zone, but I want to see that the market see dollar CAD. So dollar might drop, dollar might dump, and dollar CAD might drop. So let me see what's happening with GJ. This is an interesting market now at the moment. GJ might have an upside bias. Okay, so there is a big rejection from the support level, or it might go down for a consolidation. So gold, so the way it's moving, we can expect it to remain bullish. So last candle before the news coming up. Doji is not very good. Doji, let me see what it is trying to do here. Market is still bullish, so okay, so hope that you are enjoying. Let me know in the live chat if you're enjoying. If you are enjoying, make sure you don't forget to like the stream and also press that subscribe button. So I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds before the news. Everyone smashing the like button and also subscribing to the channel for this gold trade that's we are expecting to move to the upside. And you see that bias. All right, so unless it's manipulating here again, we are on a profit zone. I don't want to take a little profit really. Market is very slow sometimes, so you need to be patient, in fact, with your trade. So dollar CAD had a bounce again. The third time liquidity trigger. So as news okay, now this is the crucial point here. Okay, so gold, guys, hold on tight. Yeah, So 1 minute left, guys. What's your thought on gold? Okay, so here we want to see that bounce to the upside, might gather some liquidity, but let's find out which way it's heading. Just 27 minutes. Now anything can happen, so make sure, guys, you take some profit if you like, so that you are not you're covered. But I think that I'm expecting to have an upside bias, might gather liquidity, and then we could see that. Okay, so there is a initial breakdown, right? So it's not fair. I'm out. Initial breakdown and then out. So big bounce on dollar CAD. So the other one has gone up. It's a big bounce. So gold has the other way around. So I'm suspecting on dollar CAD. So dollar and CAD both has gone up. So gold had a rejection from the top. Right, so we see that gold had a rejection and dollar CAD and dollar had a big upside on. So GJ, euro dollar, all of them started to drop. GBP also. You have seen that there is a rejection from the top. So this is a huge bounce on dollar CAD. So after multiple liquidity grab, it was a big bounce. It is a big move. Now let's see what's happening with gold. Okay, so let me see what GBP, JPY and other pairs are doing. Dollar CAD is pushing high. It will keep moving. So we got, so that dollar got stronger. So let's see where is the next opportunity for us to see to enter. Um, Let me see all the pairs. So we saw weakness on CAD. So CAD JPY had a drop. So that's why we saw a big bounce on dollar CAD. Big bounce. Okay, now in the meantime, let me see how dollar CAD is doing here with this bounce. Gold has got rejected from the top. Okay, a big impulse. Still it is possible for gold to remain bullish, but at the same time, let me see what it is trying to do here. Okay guys, hope that you're enjoying the live session. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Yeah, awesome, thank you. Nasdaq. Okay, so yeah, every trading day is not the same. So yeah, it's awesome, thank you. Okay, now here this break is could be that it's just make it could be that it's a could be a manipulation, and then it is possible for the price to revert back. Dollar yen has got a very long, so there is a big manipulation on dollar yen. That manipulation has given dollar yen a big now momentum for potential upside. So with that strengthening on dollar, we see the dollar yen also showing bullish. So you might see the dollar yen slowly marching with this level and then breaking to the upside. So if we look at bigger picture from the weekly, we see the dollar yen is bullish from the weekly. From daily also, it is a huge bull market. You can see that from the daily perspective, it tested the daily 20 EMA. If we turn on our TF indicator, we see back-to-back two bullish alert along the zone. From the 4 hour, that's a big bullish candle. From the 1 hour, for this liquidity trigger, we see the market is trying to now move towards the upside. So from the lower time frame, we can see that this market is heading there's a weakless candle here, there's a weakless candle here on dollar yen. If here 21 pip. We look to just checking risks to reward. It's not gonna give us very good risks to reward. It's gonna move up dollar yen the way it has closed. If it drops down for liquidity for a pullback, we can look for buying because it's a very sharply bull market at the moment. We want to see that it has come down for a deeper pullback, like the dollar CAD. So from the weekly, dollar CAD is highly bullish. From monthly, so we might see now pullback. Okay. So looking at gold, big big rejection from this level, huge manipulation. Okay guys, So hope that you are enjoying this live session. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell button so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am releasing every single day. What's happening with GBP USD? Keeping an eye on all of them. So here is very crucial. I'm here on gold. I want to see that. Guys, how are you doing? Let me know which one you are at, and also make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so in the meantime, let's discuss a little bit about also trading psychology. You know that also risk management. It is very important that always you do the proper risk management. Aim for bigger win. Okay, so if you want to be a profitable over long term, you need to aim for bigger win. You need to do the risk management, which is the backbone of a profitable trader. So there's no other way. Okay, so there is no other way. Aussie yen looks to me that it's getting reverse. It's a huge manipulation on Aussie yen. Long-term bull market, otherwise I would sell this market. Looking at GJ again, we see that there is some, so GJ from this level has got rejected again. Might go back up again to gather liquidity again. So looking at also Euro AUD, going back to gold, what it is doing, gold is now trying to go back to its original direction. So from the 1 hour, what we see that it was a huge manipulation here, and with that manipulation it is crucially important to see either gold is heading to the upside again, or it's just So it has gone back up to the resistance level again. And I think that gold, you can see the market again trying to go back to its original position. Dollar yen also coming down for a pullback. Okay, so if it comes down for a pullback, we can look for entry. It has gone back up again with a big move to the upside. Okay, so from here we see again, it's a very, sometime it will make you puzzle like that. That's a sign of that gold now want to move towards the upside from 30 minutes. Massive bull candle. is let me see guys what here which way the market is trying to make its way. I think that after this huge move on dollar CAD, okay, so might do the same impact with the gold. Again, they are moving in the same direction. um, the dollar and CAD, both of them moving in the same direction, which is incredibly dollar and gold to this pin bar. Again, the market heading to the upside. So from 15 minutes chart on dollar yen, we see a bullish candle. Okay, so there is a look at the 1 hour, which is potentially bullish. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So what I'll do on dollar yen, you see that how many pip here, 10 pip. We could see some bullish opportunity. If an imbalance here, so dollar yen, if we see that the market has another drop here after breaking this low, if we find an entry, we'll look for buying. I will be interested to go along with dollar yen as soon as we will find entry. So make sure guys you sit tight. We have more trade to take. Let's see how it goes. And in the meantime, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification, join the free Telegram channel for more content. And also, if you want to join a regulated broker, the broker that I trade is fully regulated. And also, I put a link in the description. I can give you a link in the live chat for you to use that link to start trading with a regulated broker. Let me give you the link. Okay, so I have given you a link in the live chat. You can use that link to register and to start trading with a regulated broker. See that Usdjpy from 1 hour. Four-hour candle closing. So JPY pairs looks very impressive. moves very fast. Let me to open a position. So GJ looks to me that we might see upside. Looking at dollar yen, looks to me also bullish. So dollar yen looks better to me, so I'll go along with dollar yen from here. Stop loss below this doji, and just below this doji, okay, very few pip. And this one I'll be also targeting 321 risks to reward here. Okay, so we might see deeper pullback in this instrument, but it managed to break to the upside. You should see some good movement. It's the top trade. Let's see. First, let it come down for a bit more pullback, and then I'll pinpoint my entry. Still not in. Don't find this currency. But still not giving me enough 3-to-1 risks to reward. Still not entering. I'll keep it aside. It's not giving me still risk to reward. See gold again, from here again it's coming down, so we need to find the suitable one. Dollar yen I did not enter, it's not giving me good risks to reward yet, but if you enter, it's going up, so it's gonna keep pushing high, but I couldn't find an entry properly. Just bounce up. I tried to put a very tight entry, so I'll leave that aside at the moment. So let's see if we can find dollar pairs. I'm just looking to enter one, either dollar CAD or dollar yen. Gold might come down for another manipulation here. Okay, so dollar yen, dollar CAD. All of them showing very aggressively bullish. Dollar yen, dollar CAD. Okay, so the way we see that gold is heading, gold might gold might break the low. So we could see that it's getting another liquidity and then might move up again. It's forming a very interesting structure here. So from 4 hour, which is, you can see, it's forming a doji. So if gold managed to break this low, we will be definitely going long on gold. Okay? So dollar yen again coming down for a pullback. So if we see dollar yen giving us a break, we'll look for buying, or gold, any one of them. Gold has dropped. Yes, thank you. NASDAQ. Okay, so let's quickly look at NASDAQ, which is, you see the lower time frame, highly bearish. So the way NASDAQ is dropping, all right, so you might see that with that big drop, gold also might move in that same direction. So NASDAQ, we see that there is a short-term downside. You can see there is a breakdown, and with that breakdown, there is a gap opening and a huge sell-off. So looking at intraday, from the daily, so it might break the daily low. Highly likely that we will see that NASDAQ is breaking the daily low. Okay, and then we could see another bounce, as this market is a long-term bullish, creating series of higher low. So here what we see, that this is the daily candle. Price now might test the daily low, and then we could see that upside. The way it is breaking, highly likely that we'll see NASDAQ coming down to the daily support level. So for me, I think the best trade will be after breaking the daily low. It might break the daily low and then looking for buying. So highly likely we'll see the price will break the low and then looking for buying opportunity. All right, so what's happening with gold? I'm really interested to see gold. It's gonna give us an entry. I think that gold may retest this level, and then if that's it is doing that, then we can look for long. Okay, here going long is too early. It might gather liquidity again, and then we could see that gold is heading towards the upside. Okay, dollar yen is breaking. If dollar yen is breaking, that's why I did not enter lastly, because of the risk reward. So if dollar yen is breaking this low below this doji, it is managed to break this low, we'll look for buying opportunity. Okay, guys, so let me know in the live chat if you are enjoying. Guys, let me know in the live chat, are you enjoying the live session? Okay, what happened with GJ? All right, Gbpusd, I will go long, which is showing for me potential bullish. Gbpusd. I will target 321. So 182.57. I'll bring that up for you guys where I'm getting my TP. So I'm buying on GJ from here. Stop loss below this low. I'll target 321. This market, highly likely we should see some upside bias. So my TP on GJ at 182.68, which is above this level. Okay, so stop loss here, around 21 pip stop loss. Okay, so for me, GJ, I'm long on GJ and I'm expecting for this price to break to the upside. I think that we should be able to see some bullish momentum in this instrument. Quite a few manipulation in this pair. So from 15 minutes. It breaks from here. Okay, so I'm open two position on GJ. So this one I'm expecting it to break to the upside as the market has formed potentially bullish price action. We can expect on Gbpusd to give us a bit more bounce as this market has manipulated in that side multiple times. There is a high probability for the price to have an upside bounce. So GJ, I'll be maintaining this trade, so we'll keep eye on GJ only. Let's keep it up, and this 15 minutes candle is a bull candle. So let's catch some peep. Guys, are you ready for catching some peep? Let me know in the live chat if you're ready for some peep from GJ. Okay. Want to see that the market is breaking to the upside. It's a bull market at the moment. We see that there is a manipulation here, so there is a probability for an upside here. From the 1 hour also we see multiple manipulation, so this structure we can expect it to break to the upside. So I have opened two positions. I want to hold it because you know that this instrument, when it bounces, it gets a big bounce, and that bounce might take it to our TP. So let me know yes if you are ready for some peep on GJ. Your AUD will be looking at that. So let's catch some peep on GJ, and then we'll look at other pairs. The market looks a bit volatile on GBP/JPY, and as you can see, USDJPY also might get up, but with that of GJ might be picking up. So we see that it's picking up. All right, so go on, coach. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm ready. All right, so let me know how many of you on GJ trade. It looks to me better one than anything else, so I'm 2% on that. So if it goes up, will give us a good profit. I want to hold it for bigger profit target, because if GJ managed to break to the upside from this resistance line, there is a probability for an upside bias. Okay, so 1 hour chart, this market consolidated here for a long time. So there is a long manipulation followed by a green candle followed by a red candle with a liquidity graph. So this is a sign of potential for upside, not guaranteed. Anything can happen in trading. So make sure guys you make sure you always do the risk management, and also always trade with lower risk, bigger profit target. That's the right way to trade. That's how I trade. I always keep bigger profit target with a smaller risk. Now anything can happen in trading, as I mentioned. From here, we're gonna see that GJ had a bounce. In 15 minutes, we see a bullish engulfer. Now, if it is a doji here, we should see that GJ, this 15 minutes candle, I want to see that it's closing as a doji or a narrow green candle. The next one, we can expect it to have a bounce. Guys, are you excited for this GJ trade? Let me know in the live chat. Are you excited? And make sure that don't get too much excited so that you are taking a big risk. Always keep the risk small and repetitively use that smaller risk for bigger gain. That's how trading is. And over time you will be profitable. Okay, we see that bounce on GJ. There is a probability, and in that area I want to see that the market is heading to the upside now from this level. So if it is breaking out, then we should see that the market is going to the upside. The structure here for me is potentially bullish, but anything can happen, as I mentioned earlier in trading. So make sure that you always keep a plan B, do risk management. Now because there is a big manipulation, we can expect GBP/JPY to go back up even to break this high. Okay, so all right, so are you excited with this GBP/JPY trade? Let me know in the live chat. Smash the like button now. How many of you smash the like button? GJ is moving up now, and I have opened 2% on this trade, and I want to take a bit more bigger profit, hold it for bigger profit target. So we are currently at more than 3% on that target. So if one trade work out, you should get 6% on that in this single trade. So gold is consolidating here. All right, it's a very choppy, so let's keep gold aside and focus on GJ, because when the account will grow on GJ and gold is same, right? So the same, when you close the trade, it comes as the same profit for you. Okay, now dollar yen is coming to a zone where we might find bullish, but at the moment I will not trade dollar yen because this market already we are running yen trade, which is GJ. I opened on GJ. Many of you also shared the same trade with the VIP, so you can see that any trade that I open, I share with entry, stop loss, and take profit target to the VIP group. So if you are interested to see all of them and also trade with me in the VIP trading room, where I'll guide you how I am using the strategy, because in this live session we mostly focus on opening trade so that you guys can make some work. But in the VIP private trading room, I will be explaining all the strategies, because it will be a bit slower, because there will be learning and trading together, and also you will have an opportunity to interact with me because I will trade in a smaller group. So anyone joining our lifetime access plan can access the VIP trading room, where you can ask me any question during the trade opening, or if you want to open any trade, you can take my opinion, or you can give your opinion for the trade that I am opening verbally. So you can find that link in the description. I'll recommend you to join today to be part of this trading community. Link below this video in the description. Also, you can see at the link at the top of the chat where you can visit the website and then click join now button, then you'll be able to access all of them. So Saim Khan, dollar yen, very too many dollar yen. Okay, no worries, let me see the dollar yen. Okay, all right, so dollar yen, as I mentioned, has come to a zone where we can expect a bounce, because I'm not going long on dollar yen because of the GJ. Now this move, that for those who are learning our Zoom, our strategy via Zoom, you can look at this move, exactly the one that we this is the strategy that I'm teaching now. This move is applying to our strategy. This is a unique smart money trading strategy that I use to trade. For those who are learning the class on Zoom, you know that there is a trade here, but why I'm not going long on dollar yen, because we are on GJ. So let's keep one at a time without risking too much. Okay, so dollar yen is moving up, heading to the upside. Dollar yen and GJ both looks to me bullish. WTI, okay, we'll look at that. WTI, So with the weakness on CAD, we see that WTI showing some downside momentum. Let me do the full analysis. Looking at the daily, we can see that there is a daily red candle after this bullish move. The market now trying to come down again on WTI. There is a, you can see this is a big drop followed by a correction. We might see another drop on WTI locally. So if we look at weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, from this level, we see that this is the bullish candle on WTI, followed by this week after breaking, we can see the market started to drop. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, after breaking this high, the market trying to drop back. So let's see on the intraday perspective how it is doing. I think that WTI from lower time frame perspective, we might see that some local drop as we see that the market has broken this swing high, gathered the liquidity. Now we could see that some downside movement on WTI. So WTI to me potentially downside may not be a very big move because it's, you can see there is a local upside. The market may try to break this swing low here on the lower time frame, and then we might see that bounce up. So let me see the GJ what it did. There is a local downside again. You can see so this doji on the 15 minutes quite significant. I want to see that this one is closing as a narrow doji, either as a red doji or as a green doji. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, so here let it break to the upside, and then we can move the stop loss, or if we want to modify anything, we want to see that the market is heading to the upside here. Alright guys, if you are enjoying, let me know in the live chat. So dollar yen is from this support level, after breaking this low, it prepared for potential upside on dollar yen. Okay, so this 15 minutes candle is a bull candle. So dollar yen also have given a very strong bullish price action here, but I will not go dollar yen because we are on GJ. So okay, we see that you can say after breaking this low is breaking to the upside. Okay, so it's heading to the upside. Now I want to see that GJ also, yeah, GJ also making its move to the upside, and that one I want to see that breaking, hitting the TP. Let's see, keep a bigger profit target always. If you want to be a profitable trader over long term, you must keep bigger profit target, smaller loss, and that's only the way. And all my strategy that I use in the same way. All right, bigger profit target, smaller loss, doing proper risk management, not being, what I can say that worried for a couple of losses. Let it be, because 2 or 3 wins will give you all the profit, including all the losses that you made. So you need to aim for a bigger win and then hold it, and do not worry for 1 or 2 losses. But if you don't do the risk management, definitely you will be worried, because probably you are taking a big risk in one trade, that's not gonna make you profitable over the long term. In my long experience, what I have seen, guys, that taking a smaller profit never work out. Okay, so if you really love your trading account, then definitely don't take big risk. Firstly, secondly, don't take a smaller profit, take bigger profit, take a smaller risk. Let the market take a small amount from you, but when you take the big amount, okay, that's only the way to be profitable over the long term. I hope that you are enjoying this session. Let me know if you are with me. Can you hear me properly, guys? And also I want to know where you are from, guys. Long term we didn't have good interaction. GJ is moving in the direction, so well, we are enjoying the profit on GJ. Let me know your city, where you are from, and also let me know what's your passion other than trading. Okay, so do you do anything else other than trading? um Let me know your passion other than trading. Let it move to the upside. Let it be heading. Slovakia. So I'm assuming that it's a EU country. Very good. And what else? Let me know, guys, where you are from and what's your passion or hobby, what I would say. Do you like music? NC USA, Winston, Salim, you are welcome. And what's your passion or hobby, what I would say. You need to keep something beside your trading. Don't be a full-time trader with only trading. I know that being a full-time trader is absolutely um, a dream for everyone. All right, if you dream, definitely it's a good dream, but don't be a full-time trader with only trading. All right, so if you Kenya, Amal, you are welcome. Kadir from London, thank you. Don't be a full-time trader with only trading, the first thing. Secondly, love music, very good. Like, it's awesome. I love also music, very good. So keep something else, do something else beside trading. USA fishing, very good. Yeah, I also do fishing, very good. Catching big fish is always good. Kenya, awesome. Thank you. What else? Do you do anything else other than trading? So let me know what you love to do. What you love to do when you are, you know, at the age of 10. That's in your childhood. From Dubai, application programming. Very good. Okay, programming. Yeah. I've never done that, but it's a good one. DJish, Kenya, DJ. Okay, DJ. So you are also music lover. Very good. Moscow, Alexander, you're welcome. So it's always good to see that you have always all furniture restoration. Wow, that's a creative job, Alexander. Very good. This is important that you keep something beside your trading, so that you're not putting too much pressure on trading, because trading is like, it's very delicate. You need to the less time you'll give, the better for Norway, but you need to give a very undivided attention. Okay, this is the key that you need to understand, that when you are trading, okay, so you need to give an undivided attention. Not only in trading, I think that undivided attention is needed to give to anything that you want to excel, you need an undivided attention. So the word undivided attention means that, you know, in this world everything is very, very distracted, okay, due to social media, you know, especially everything gets very, very divided attention. So anything you want to excel, you need to give undivided attention, otherwise you might be missing the real point. So always you know, keep something inside beside you trading. And so take trading, let's say, as a hobby. You can take it as a hobby rather than, even if you are trading full time, you can take it as a hobby, so that you are not putting too much pressure on you trading, right? And at the same time you are making a living out of it, okay? So that's how you can, you know, make a consistent profit from your trading. Now we see that GJ has got liquidity and then trying to break to the upside, and the way it is heading, I think that we have made a good decision on that. Gold try to call up, yeah, I see that. And so with that in mind, on GBP we can expect a breakout. Let's see how it does. Now if it breaks to the upside, we'll move the stop loss at entry. If it breaks to the upside, or we don't, no problem at all. It is always a good idea to let one trade run full rather than making, you know, too many management. So you see that here from 5 minutes it is forming another bullish candle here on GJ. So all right, so it's heading to the upside, which is, we are on around 18p up, 18p profit. Let me see, yeah, almost nearly 15-18p profit, but I want to hold it. So there's a chance of breakout. It formed that inverted head and shoulder, so there is a probability for the price to break to the upside on this. All right, make sure that, guys, you understand all the trade that you open, why you are opening, what's the strategy behind it. This is how you can, you know, make always good profit from the market. So trading is, you need to understand the strategy, and also you need to understand how to apply the strategy, along with developing strong trading psychology, along with learning the risk management. Now if you are you know, if you are trading for some time not profitable, then you need to ask 3 questions of this. One is, the number 1 is, do you do the risk management? Okay, so risk management consists of, for example, you need to understand that each, you know, risk management means that you need to, for example, you need to open the trade with same amount of risk for all trade. This is the first thing, either it's going in your direction or not going. Secondly, number 2 is how much exposure you will keep at the same time on the market. There are many things, and also not doubling up the same pairs. So these are some of the things that trader consider when they, you know, develop that risk management plan. Trading psychology also a big part of this game, so you need to understand how your trading psychology in terms of trading, because you need to fuse all of them together to be profitable. Now if you are not being able to fuse all of them, this is where it comes to, you know, learning. I would recommend you to learn and grow, and you know, that's why we implemented this we have a VIP trading room as well, where I will be opening live trade. So far we are learning on strategy on Zoom, so that the reason we use Zoom is because you have opportunity directly to interact with the trade that I'm opening, and also you can also open your trade and you take my opinion, you can give your opinion. So if you are our lifetime member, I would say that you can join today. If you are our lifetime member, you can be on that for the rest of your life, trading with me, learning the strategy, and also understanding your own trading psychology, and also doing the risk management. Okay, learning the risk management. So if you're a serious trader, you know that as it is a smaller group, that I will keep it small because I want to see everyone is being able to interact. So this week couple of people will join, and then I'll keep it hold for a couple of weeks. So you can join today, link in the description. Couple of spots is still available before I close down for a couple of days. So if you are not in a hurry, you can wait for the next batch. If you want to join today, then you can join today, link in the description area. Also link at the top of the chat. Visit the website, click join now button, then you will be able to join and access that everything we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let me see on dollar yen what it did. So you see the dollar yen is trying to create a structure here for liquidity and then bounce to the upside. Gold is what I would say is a messy now. Gold is messy, guys. It's not going anywhere because of the big move. We saw the big move, and now it's getting in a consolidation pattern. It's very messy at the moment. So better we are on GJ, which is let me see. And here on 15 minutes forming a doji, which is I didn't like it. I want to see that it's forming a bit bullish. Breaking this high is crucial. Still on might gather further liquidity here. So if we manage to break this structure, we can do something, either moving. If your trading account is bigger, then you might be able to move the stop loss, taking some profit, or you can let it run, or whatever, either this way or that way. That's how I like that. Either go this way, give me the full profit, come down to hit the stop loss. Okay, we see that potentially showing bullish. So 1 hour chart, we see that 1 hour candle closing in 15 minutes. So far I see that JJ may keep up, push up. So this structure is really interesting. You can see there is a green candle, a big long wick candle, which is a big manipulation, followed by a green candle, and again a red bearish candle. Now the price again heading to the upside. So the chances for this market to break to the upside is very high, because here is a support, all of them broken. Market gathers big liquidity. Okay, so here we saw that around how many pip liquidity gathered. So we saw that almost 90 pip manipulation. So that will push the propel that price to the upside. It's consolidating a little bit. 15 minutes is also a bullish doji, so you should see that that one is breaking to the upside, feeling that long wick, which as a rule of thumb we should do that way. Euro dollar, do you trade live on London session? Yes, I do. Not here. I do on my own with the when there is a Zoom on Zoom. But in the future we might increase that session to London session as well. Yeah. So GJ is basically gaining momentum for an upside. So you see that bounce coming up. Okay. So keep in mind, guys, as you can see, GJ is now again going to our around in the direction of us. So here, what did I look at in this market? Okay, as I mentioned earlier that we have a strategy to trade this kind of market. The most important factor that I look at when I trade this kind of market is the liquidity. Okay, market structure, liquidity, and price action. So what is a liquidity? Liquidity is the fuel of the market. So if you look at the market, liquidity will tell you everything, especially the direction which were the big boys trying to take that move. So here, okay, let's see, 15 minutes. What's happening with dollar yen? It's consolidating. The dollar CAD also had a big drop for a pullback. Gold again, very interestingly, had a bounce. Okay, so finally it has been able to break to the upside from this level. Now Gbpjpy camera is off, guys can't see me. I didn't realize that you couldn't see me, guys. Someone is telling me that I'm not seen. I even didn't know that the camera is off and you guys not missing me. Huh? Let me know if you don't see me. Okay, so you don't understand by liquidity. Please pay something about robot group. So what do you wanna hear, Rai Hanul? Let me know what you want to hear about the robot group, please. Okay, so it has broken that level. Now, if GJ needs to break out, this is the last point it should be, right? So you should be able to see that break because it gathered now multiple times liquidity. There is a drop, big drop to this support level, and now we should see that move, which is trying to Okay, here is the key points. Okay, the 15 minutes candle, this one broken two dodges low, and now it's trying to gain momentum. So if it gains momentum here and manage to break to the upside, should be able to see Gbpusd has moved up to where we are expecting. So from 30 minutes, it's now getting some resistance here. Yes, super known. All the Zoom classes are recorded and posted on the VIP group every alternative days. So after the Zoom classes, if you miss any of them, you can watch the recorded, no problem at all. So it's also available for everyone so that you can access. The only thing is that if you are live on the Zoom classes, then you can open trades when we are opening based on the strategy, but you can access all of them. Will be recorded and posted on the group. Why so much volatility in the market? So it's good, right? Because of the fundamental factor. There is a war. When there is a turmoil in the, especially in the world economy, like any kind of war or economic recession or any kind of disease, any kind of what I can say that what is that coronavirus? Or I forgot that word. When you see infectious disease, for example, this kind of things happens, then the market becomes volatile. Okay. Can you tell me why this happened? Now we know that when there is a war, for example, there is a this and that, the market become volatile. But why does this happen? What could be the reason? Do you know? Do you have an idea? Let me let us know your opinion on that. So we know that when there is something happen around the world, there is always volatility in the market. But what could be the reason? So we saw news already been released on dollar and CAD. So you saw that. Bring that up. So dollar and CAD. This is the news. So CAD, CPI, median CPI and trim CPI. So three of them bad for CAD. So you got a little bit of downside on CAD, and dollar got positive results. So you saw that there is because of that we saw a big move on dollar CAD. So dollar got stronger, CAD got weaker, and we saw that dollar CAD a bounce to the upside. All right. So now, okay, so GJ now bouncing up, which finally we saw that price action forming that we are expecting. So still trying to go up, but the way we see this move, I think that we might see finally a bounce on that. Right, so let's see. It's now again trying to gather liquidity. So big boy is always very hungry for liquidity all the time, because without liquidity the market will not move from that level. Again, there is a rejection. Okay guys, so yes, we have a Zoom class today after the NY live. We will have the Zoom class today according to our previous schedule. Okay, NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. So guys, hope that you're enjoying. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are still trading. I will keep holding GJ for bigger profit. Let's see. I'm still expecting this market to break to the upside. And if you are enjoying, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And also, in addition to that, if you are looking to join a regulated broker, the broker that I trade is regulated. There is a link in the description for that broker. You can use that, or I can give you a link in the live chat. So once you click the link, you can click the link and then register and then start trading with regulated broker. Okay, here GJ trying to break again. Let me see what. Before the 15 minutes close, now we want to see that this one is closing as a bullish doji. Okay. It's gathering liquidity again. Need to see this candle is closing above, right? Here or here, so then the next one bounce to the upside. So this is a bullish price action so far. Now in the last moment, it's trying to come down. Okay, so we saw close above, that's good. So 30 minutes, the doji. Okay, now we can expect. So if we look at the 1 hour candle, which is closed already, let's see how it has closed. Okay, so from 1 hour candle, we saw candle that has a long wick at the top. Now we should see that this candle is going to, this wick is being filled, and with that wick fill from 1 hour, expectation is to go up and break to the upside. Sometimes the market is a bit sluggish or sluggish, whatever you want to say, slow, but you have to comply with that, because when it bounce, it will have a big bounce. Sometimes it's a little bit of slow, and that's where the market does. So when it finally ready, you'll see that it's gonna have a good move. Here many times manipulation, So price is manipulating from the support, so that my bias is still to the upside here. The manipulation here on the support, the chance for the break to the upside. Are you guys with me on GJ? Still, I'm running in profit. Let's keep running. Thanks, no problems. 19 is what with the resistance. Okay, thank you. It's awesome. Okay, so Mehrdad, the Zoom class link will be posted on the VIP group. So if you are on the VIP group, you can see the link as soon as it will be posted. So it's breaking to the upside. Are you guys with me on the Gbpusd trade? Are you running that? Awesome. Can everyone let me know if you are running Gbpusd, yes or no, so that I know actually how many of you really are on that trade, just to see the participation. Now, this candle here, there is a big manipulation, okay? This zone here. So this structure is a zone of manipulation. Yes, choke, okay, direct, yes, coach, okay. Very good. I see that many of you. Thank you. Okay. So there is a mini structure here, okay? So this mini structure in this lower time frame is signaling potential break to the upside, and this is a bullish engulfer with a long wick at the top and also manipulation at the bottom, and there is a probability for a bounce from that level. Let's see. Guys, give a big thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell button if you are want to be notified everything we are releasing. Also join the free Telegram channel for all the updates and everything, link in the description as well. So let me also share with you the free Telegram channel link where you can get notified for everything. Bring that free Telegram channel link. Okay, so I've given you the free Telegram channel link in the live chat. So stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel for all the updates. So do you think that trading is hard, guys? It's very need patience, right? Yeah, it's sometimes hard to look at the chart, staying, but when you are proficient, it becomes big tool for you to to make additional income on top of what you are doing. So it is important that you use trading wisely so that you can sustain in that game of trading for a long time. Okay? Because it's a big freedom, right? Isn't it? When we are retire, it's a tool that you can use to make profit over long term. So you see the Gbpusd is heading to the upside, and we can keep it up. We see that it's getting, or it's just trying to break to the upside, but yeah, so it's breaking out. So I'm holding, guys. Want to hold it for bigger profit. I know that there is a tendency works. It worked in me also in the beginning, just to you know close the profit with a smaller, but over long term it will not make you profitable. So it's always good idea to hold the profit for bigger win. Okay, so you see that currently I'm on this trade 20 pip up, so let's keep that running. Okay, so here okay, the price action on Gbpusd is potentially bullish. So back to back, two strong liquidity trigger has given a very high probability for GJ to remain bullish, and we are up on around 20 pip on this trade. Okay, now if you are enjoying this pip, guys, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So running in profit, and I'm running two trades on Gbpusd because I was confident on the trade very well, and I opened two positions at the moment, both of them running in profit. I want to hold it for bigger win, otherwise it doesn't worth to take smaller profit. Always I love to take bigger profit, smaller loss. That's how to be profitable as a trader. All right, so yes, going good, very good. Yes, running GJ. Thank you very much. Are you in the trade? Yes, I am on both of them. On both of them, running in almost 2% currently up, because I am running two trades. So both of them running in, each one is around 1%. So both of them nearly 2%. And I want to see that Gbpusd has given me all the link and all the things that I need for these two trades. From these two trades, the way the market structure has evolved, there is a chance for like that. So which is heading to the upside. Okay, so I want to see that it's moving, guys. Yesterday also you had a live trade exactly with Gbpusd, exactly in the same way, moving in that direction. It's amazing, guys. Loving Gbpusd trade. Okay, I love to trade GJ. Very volatile, easy to trade. If you love and if you are making profit, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you like, make sure you leave a like, as I mentioned. And also if you trade, if you are making profit, make sure that you keep it on your account with a profit, with a regulated broker. Trade with a regulated broker all the time, and the broker that I trade is regulated, highly regulated. And I have left a link in the description for you guys if you are looking to join a regulated broker. And also I can give you a link in the live chat where you can click that link and then you can start register for free, and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. So moving up on GJ, I'm not gonna take profit anything. I want to see that it's heading to the upside and then giving us the profit. Now you have seen that, guys, I'm trading live in front of you because this is what my specialty. I'm a full-time trader. I love trading, and if you are struggling from trading, then I would recommend you to stick to the channel. Here I try to help traders, okay, in every way possible, trading live in front of them, and also sharing my trade in the VIP groups. Also in this live session you can see that I also share all my trade, and also taking regular VIP classes where I am explaining how to do the risk management, how I am using the strategy so that they can use by themselves, you can use by yourself. So if you're interested on that, I would recommend you to join today, as I am paying extra attention to everyone who is coming on Zoom as well in this live session. Also I will keep the spot limited, so there is still a couple of spots available. You can join today. If you are our lifetime member, you can access all of them. So link below this video in the description. Press link, visit the website where you can see. Now also let me share with you the mentorship link. So if you are copy link address, so this is the link that I have given. Okay, so let me share with you the website address, where once you are on the website you can click join now button, and then you will be able to join us to be part of our trading community. I have given a link in the live chat. So it's heading to the upside. Okay, so GJ is still heading to the upside, and okay, what do you see in that area? So the way this market structure is formed, which is you can see there was consolidation, huge manipulation, and it is basically heading towards the upside. All right, so I'm up now. How many pip on that trade? I'm still holding 40 pip up in this live trade. This trade was open in this live session. Have you guys enjoyed? Are you enjoying? Let me know in the live chat. And I'm still holding. I'm not taking any partial profit yet, but if you like, you can do that. So if you want, you can move your stop loss here at 181.92 because this is where this candle liquidity is on. So I think that this level might be holding. I'm doing the same thing just to make the trade risk free, and I'll keep running that trade. So in that trade, my entry is 181.1 is 181.92, the other one 97. So both of them I'll move. Let me see, should I move or not? I'm gonna move at 181.925, both of them. That should go up to our TP, but just to reduce the risk, I'm moving my both of them at 181.925. So stop loss. I'm at 1.9. Okay, so it's heading, it's gonna push up. Looks to me that it's gonna break this swing high. um, Let it move up. Just move my stop loss a little bit down so that I can give it enough room if it wants to manipulate again. I don't want to take it to the break even with the bigger profit target. So I'll be move it at 181.90. It's not a big matter, but just want to keep the, give it a little bit of breathing for movement. So both of them. So I'm up on this trade currently after yesterday's massive win. Now 50 pip up on GJ. Now this is how you need to predict the market for bigger win and hold that trade, all right, for bigger profit. And that's how only you can be profitable over the long term. If you really want to be profitable as a trader, there is no other alternative but taking bigger win, smaller raw risk, and then hold the trade for long term. Even if the trade is coming for a pullback, always hold it for bigger win. Okay, this is only way you can be profitable over the long term. So let me see here, we might see some deeper pullback, but I'm not going to take any action at the moment. I think that even if it come down for a pullback, we should be able to see some bounce to the upside on this instrument. From 1 hour chart, if we look at what we see here, is that this is the 1 hour candle. Price have a big bounce, and want to see that it's breaking to the upside. Okay, so I think that the market should go even to this level here, 182.72 possible. Okay, for long term, this move. All right, so we are late a little bit. I hope that you guys enjoying. This is how trading is. So we are still running Gbpusd trade for bigger win. I will hold that trade, and I'm not going to close it on the halfway until I take my full profit both of this trade. So we'll keep running. Now if I'm almost at the end of the session. If you are still running with me, you can do a couple of things. You can take some profit, it's up to you, or you can take partial profit, or you can close fully. The best thing I would recommend is to move your stop loss at entry so that this trade become risk free, and then either you run for full profit or you take partial profit, or it's up to you how you want to manage that trade. I sincerely believe that, guys, this year after yesterday's massive win on GJ, it's still heading to the upside. You want to celebrate in this live session. I still can hold that trade, hold this live session to celebrate this big trade on GJ. Let me see how far I can wait. And yeah, it's pushing high. Let me know, guys, are you still on that trade? Okay. Yeah, how long? The course is simple. It's very simple, Jay. Guys, are you holding the GJ on how many pip you are running profit at the moment on this trade? So Gbpusd, I'm currently at around 50 pip nearly. Okay, so more than 50 pip. Yeah, 50 pip. So 2 trades, 100 pip up. So let me know, guys, in the live chat, are you holding that trade on GJ? Yes, very good, George. This is what I need. Take hold on big trade and let it run for full profit. This is real trading, okay? Though it is YouTube trading, but there is a real trading happen here. Running profit, Yusuf. Awesome, very good. Okay, let me know, everyone, that you are still holding. Don't close on the way. Okay. All right, it's moving up. It's gonna push up. This is a big win, guys. Big win. After yesterday's big win, have you seen this kind of back-to-back two big win on the live session? If you haven't seen, make sure you smash the like button. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Stay subscribed. This weekend also, past weekend, I have released some important lessons. I have shared a demo trading plan so that you guys can copy that, replicate that. This weekend also I'll be releasing some valuable content. Okay, I will be showing you how to draw the key level, all right, which is very, very important. I will show you how to identify the liquidity zone. So if you want to access that, the only thing that you need to do, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. I know that many of you now very in a very high, what I can say, in a high vibration, that this trade is a big one. I'm not taking any partial profit. I want to take it to the full TP hit. Both of the trade running, two trades running on GJ. This two trade will give me alone 6%. Until that, I'm not gonna close it. Okay. This is a live trade, YouTube live trade I have opened in front of you guys. Hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure that if you want to know how to trade from a real trader, this is a real trading academy where I teach how to catch this kind of big trade so that you can trade by yourself. Make sure that you don't miss out this content by there is a link in the description. Visit the website, click join now button, join us to join me in my live trading room private, where you can interact with me verbally. Okay, so I keep the group in the VIP trading room smaller so that I can interact with them. You can join today, link in the description. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. So let's, it's almost now nearly 2.8 times. Okay, now if you are feeling very overwhelmed with this big trade, it's up to you. You can close it now fully. I'm still holding. I want to take a really big win on this. Okay, even if it comes down to take me full out of the trade, I'm not worried. I want to take, because my trade is almost nearly break even, so I will hold it for, but I think that it's gonna push up again. It might consolidate here a little bit, and then it might break out, and it might go back up even to this resistance line. Okay, let me see the multi-time frame approach here. So from the weekly perspective, it's bullish. From the monthly also, you see the market is heading to the monthly opening and closing, monthly resistance. And if we look at the daily, the prices, you can see that from here there is a huge liquidity grab today on the daily, and that liquidity grab has given a momentum to this market, and I think that it's gonna keep pushing high to even to the daily resistance line. Okay, so which is heading. Okay, the candle closed on the 30 minutes, on the 15 minutes also, and the price action for me is still bullish. So still probability for creating new higher high. There is a narrow doji here. I think that's gonna push up. Now here is the pullback. All right, so in that pullback, market might do little bit of downside at the moment. So what we should do here, push up to make a decision. Um, I see that it's gonna break out again. Okay, we see some long wick, just need it. Okay, I wanna see another bounce. Oh, I didn't like it. Come on. I wanna close. It's now forcing me to close. Oh my god, how many pips? That's a big move. Wanna see that another bounce. Let's see. So let's let it move. Want to see another bounce, guys? Just one bounce will give us a big, huge profit on that. It's not forcing me to close. Okay, I'm gonna close now. It's forcing me. Closed both of them because it's a big profit. I don't want to miss that. Okay. Okay, so couldn't hold it anymore because two trades running. Might just go back up again. But anyway, big trade. Now it's going up. Anyway, we took a big profit. That's fine. Let's keep up another one. Now this one might come down for a pullback or might go back up again. So okay guys, so we are out with big profit, almost 4% on me. So it might go up again, but anyway, we'll look for again. You'll see that. So we had a very good trading day, including yesterday and today on GJ on this live session. So we'll keep doing it, and I strongly believe that guys, you enjoyed this live session and you found value in it. Definitely you made good profit on that trade. So with that being said, thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon in the next live. Until that,